Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. It is officially 2019, which means this is the first video of 2019. So I'm going to be kicking off this year with another Boxycharm unboxing. So this is the January box for this year, and I'm very excited to open this bad boy. So let's just jump right in. So first up, when we open the box, we get our card as usual. So this month's box is Boxy and Chill. It's like a little pillow theme with clouds and dreams and all that good stuff. And we have 5 products. And as you can see, I am not wearing makeup because I know there's a face mask in here and I wanted to try it on in the video. So we're just gonna unbox everything and then try everything on at the end. So we are going to first look at the Bite lipstick. It says Amuse Bouche. I don't know how to say that. But this retails for $26 and it is in the shade Ginger Snap. It says it's a high-impact lipstick with multi-dimensional shades handcrafted to deliver intense moisture and creamy wear. Oh, okay, cool. So it's like a little sleek design. It's matte. Oh, that's a pretty color. And it actually kind of matches what I'm wearing. This is really pretty. I'm excited to try this. Hopefully it goes on beautifully because I will be very excited about this. Next product. Ooh, yes. I love Briogeo. I think it's Briogeo. People pronounce it Briogeo. Pretty sure it's Briogeo though. So we got the Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. And I love a good leave-in conditioner. So this retails for $12 and it's 20 ounces. I was totally just going to put this in my hair, but obviously my hair is dry, so that is a no. And I just washed it. So next time I wash it, I will definitely be using this because I love their products. Alright, moving along. We have the Starlooks Aurora Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil. Okay. So this retails for $19. It's a mechanical eye pencil with a launch exclusive to Boxycharm, and its intensely pigmented formula delivers a beautiful color that lasts all day. So I'm just assuming Aurora is the color that it is because it doesn't say the color anywhere else. I don't know if there's other colors. It says it's exclusive to Boxycharm, so maybe not. Maybe it's just this one. But let's open it up and see. So I took the plastic off, finally. Okay, so this is kind of like a pinky purple shade. It has a very nice shimmer, pinky purpley lilac kind of color. It's nice. Alright, so the next product in the box is the Tarte Rainforest by the Sea Volume 3. And I know we did get a Rainforest by the Sea previously. I'm not sure what volume it was though. Not too sure. But let's open this up and see what is inside. I feel like the last palette we got looked extremely similar to this. I don't know if it's just me, but I'm pretty sure it looked a lot like this. It does have 7 shimmers and 1 matte, which if you guys have been watching my unboxings before, you know I don't love that, but we will try and get something out of this. This is a nice crease shade, and then we could probably just do like a very light look and then use a liner and all of that good stuff. But we will put this bad boy to the test very soon. But this palette retails for $36. We're going to go into the last product of the box, which is these 2 Tatcha face masks. And I've actually never used the Tatcha product, so I'm pretty excited. This Tatcha mask retails for $24. So I'm just going to go ahead and start the try-on. So that is everything in this month's box. What? This video is a mess. Anyways, that was all 5 products in this month's box. I'm going to go ahead and start trying everything on so we can just move right along. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the Tatcha face mask. And it says to apply mask and smooth to fit comfortably, leave on for 15 minutes. This is dripping. So I hate wearing face masks because I feel like I can't move a lot because then it'll just fall off. So I'm always like, you know? I hate that. Anyways, so it's been 15 minutes, so I can finally take this off. And it says to massage the remaining serum. So that is what I'm going to do. Because I like to follow directions, you know? It did a really good job of hydrating the dry spots I was talking about. So As you can see, I was having a little bit of a breakout situation there, and it was getting really dry and flaky, but now it's really smooth, actually. Like, it just feels like my skin, like, I can't even feel like anything's really there. And the rest of my face just feels very plump. It feels really nice. It is still sticky, so I'm going to kind of let that dry down a little bit. But I love it. And it just feels refreshing. Like, my skin feels rejuvenated. I really, really like it. So I'm just going to let this dry a little bit, do my makeup off camera, and then I will be back to test out the rest of the products. Alright guys, so my makeup is done-ish. Obviously, I have to still do my eyes. So we're just going to jump right into the Rainforest of the Sea palette. And I'm obviously just going to take that one transition shade, which is called Tiki. And I'm just going to take that on a fluffy brush and work that into my crease. Alright, so I just popped that shade into my crease, and it's not very pigmented. I did have to blend it and build it up a lot. But, I mean, it is a transition shade, so I'm not expecting too much out of it. But it does look nice once it is on. So we're going to take Jewel, which is this golden shade right here. I'm just going to take a little packer brush and put that on my lid. So I am just going to take this shade right here, which is Cocoa Bear from Makeup Geek. And I'm just going to darken up the edges just a little bit so it doesn't look so light. I do like a little bit of a darker outer corner so it kind of defines my eyes. So I'm just going to take a little brush, kind of just define it ever so slightly. Now I'm just going to go back into the palette and take Tiki again just to blend out the harsh lines. Now for my inner corner highlight and my brow bone highlight, I think I'm going to take Treasure, which is this nice white shade. And just take that on a little brush and pop that in. Yeah, I'm just not liking this pencil too much. Here, I'll show you. It doesn't really have like a nice payoff. Kind of just, it's very waxy. It's not coming off of my eye too much, so I'm not in love with this, but I do really like the eyeshadow palette. I just wish it had a little bit of a darker shade in it, but it's fine. I understand. You can always just dip into another palette. Everyone has a darker shade in another eyeshadow palette. I do like the color payoff of the shimmers, and I wish the transition was a little bit darker, but I mean, it's not too bad. I do really like these shimmers. This white shade, the Treasure shade, is super blinding. I love how bright it makes my inner corner look and how well it highlights my brow bone. I really, really like it. So I don't like this Starlooks pencil, but I do like this palette. And now I'm just going to move on to the last product that I can try on today, which is the Bite Lipstick in Ginger Snap. So this is extremely creamy. It feels extremely wearable on my lips. The only thing is that it will transfer. But it is a creamy lipstick, so I would expect that to happen. But I do really like this color a lot. I don't really wear bold colors, but I do like salmon-y, orangey, pinky type of colors on me, on my skin tone. I think it looks really nice. So I am liking this lip, and it matches this shirt. I wasn't planning that, but it worked out. So that is it for today's try on, unboxing, and all that good stuff. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!